not a staffer in your office, correct?
The county secretary assigned the letter.
For the governor, though he is not a staffer in your office, correct? Governor, turn with me to page 384 of our volume 2. Under paragraph 4, that is the response by the County Public Service Board to the clerk of the County Assembly. You will agree with me that in that response, the County Public Service Board states, and I quote, the board is the appointing authority according to Section 64 of the County Government Act.
Not disputed.
And the board, however, was not involved in the appointment of the acting chief officers as per the Act. You agree with me? At least that is apparent on the face of the document, correct?
Maybe.
You agree?
I'm not the one that was writing to them.
But you agree that is what the board says, Governor? That is
yes,
obvious.
According to the letter.
Okay. So the board, the County Public Service Board, actually disowns your appointment and says that the appointments of the 17 chief officers whom you have appointed on the 23rd of August, most of whom are in acting capacity, was done without its involvement. Correct?
And to me, the board, the role of
so
the
yes, no
board,
question, Governor, so that we move.
also, the role of the board is to give advisory to the end of county public service.
The role of the board is to recommend for appointment to you so that you appoint. The powers reside in you, not the county secretary. We agree on that, Governor. So, and the board disowns those appointments and says that you did not consult the board in making the appointments. You specifically, because you are the appointing authority.
And I specifically did not appoint any person.
I think.
Madam Speaker, we are constrained to seek your direction because we believe the rules of cross-examination is that a witness answers questions, they don't tell stories. And the reason we seek your direction and perhaps invocation of your powers under the relevant standing order is that we believe this witness is engaging us in an altercation, knowing very well our time is very limited, so that we don't have the opportunity to put to her all the relevant questions that we need to put.
Madam Governor, please answer the questions as asked.
Council, I have never appointed
Madam
any
Speaker,
of these.
Madam Speaker, just hold on. Council, can you ask the question and can she answer it?
Madam Governor, my question is, the County Public Service Board has disowned your appointments.
Not my appointments.
Who is the appointing authority?
The person who has signed here.
So, Governor, are you saying you have abdicated your roles as Governor and you delegated your authority to appoint to the County Secretary?
I have not delegated.
So, who appointed these officers? Is it you or the County Secretary?
The County Secretary.
Okay. So, Governor, you're telling this Honorable House that as Governor, you can delegate your statutory authority to appoint the chief officers